Let's install NemoClaw and OpenClaw on the ASUS Ascent GX10. First, we need to make sure the system is up to date with the latest version. Enter the following commands in the terminal. This will update the system repositories and download any available updates. Next, we need to set the C group namespace mode required for OpenShell with the following command. Now, let's restart Docker with the following command. Next, we want to grant Docker permission. Use the following command on one line. Then, use the following command on the next line. Now, we're going to download and install OLlama as our main local LLM. This download and install may take the longest depending on your internet connection. Enter this command to begin. Once OLlama is done installing, let's pull a model. The ASUS Ascent GX10 can support up to 200 billion parameter models, but we'll use a 20 billion parameter model for our example. Enter this command. Now, let's configure OLlama to listen to all interfaces with these commands entered in each line. Now, let's finally install NemoClaw. This single command handles everything. Installs Node.js if needed, installs OpenShell, clones the latest stable NemoClaw release, builds the CLI, and runs the onboard wizard to create a sandbox. You will be asked to configure your inference. Since we installed OLlama in the previous steps, we're going to select option 7, Local OLlama. Then, for the OLlama model, we're going to select a GPT-OSS20B that we pulled earlier. After your models loads, NemoClaw will begin creating a sandbox for you. This is a secure, isolated environment to run your local AI agent, like OpenClaw. Once you named your sandbox, NemoClaw will start the creation process. Now that the sandbox is created, NemoClaw will ask if we want to apply standard policy presets for common services. These presets are designed to simplify the process of setting up network access for OpenClaw agents. For now, we'll select No. That finalizes the installation process. To access the OpenClaw UI for testing, you can simply copy the URL and paste it into your internet browser. Now you have access to a localized AI right from your ASUS Ascent GX10. For more in-depth information, please use this QR code to learn more.